Hi guys, my name is Kayla Parham and I'm doing the Arctic Potential for Conflicts. As you can see here, we have a map of the Arctic Circle, and there are a number of things that that people can fight about, or, there are a lot of conflicts that are possible. But today I'm just going to be talking about a few. And as you can see here, we have Russia, Alaska, Canada, Finland, Sweden, Norway, the US. All of these countries kind of surround this area, and that could be potentially a problem or not. We'll see. So here you go again. We have the Arctic Circle. Russia, the US, Canada, all these countries surround it. So economically speaking, this could be a good thing or a bad thing, but you have a lot of countries that are interested in this region. So first thing we're going to talk about climate change, and this pretty much affects the other conflicts that happen. We have territory conflicts, and then we're also going to be talking about oil and gas extraction. Okay, so that was just kind of an overview of what we're talking about here. So first thing, climate change. This is a major threat to the Arctic, in that the rising temperatures from greenhouse gas emissions are melting the ice, and this is known as a good thing for economic purposes because it will expose oil and gas reserves that we could not reach before. And this is good for businesses who are involved in this type of work, and as well, it could be a bad thing because organisms that live in this region are experiencing the destruction of their habitat. And also you have rising sea levels. And this also kind of messes with the environment of these animals. So, oil and gas. Well, because of these rising temperatures and the melting of the ice, many of these countries will try to gain control over specific areas so that they can gain access to these oil and gas reserves and for economic use. So, and drilling for oil and extracting natural gas could potentially destruct the habitat of the wildlife that reside in this region. Territory. Okay, so because of the climate change and the newly accessible oil and gas reserves, there could be possible conflicts between countries over these territories. It's all about who gets what, when, and where. So why are these things important to geography? Well, anything having to do with the environment directly affects us as human beings. We live here on this earth, and the changes in this region can also determine how people across the globe interact with each other. And there are my references, and thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. Sorry about the video, but I will make sure to go and try and fix that link.